Once responsibly sourced, the material enters a completely different environment. Inside, natural materials meet modern industrial precision. The journey from raw material to luxury product begins with inspection.
Each piece is examined for quality, structure, and natural character.
Its natural patterns will later become part of the finished design. The first industrial stage removes surface residue and prepares the horn for shaping. Clean surfaces make the next precision stages possible. Controlled drying helps stabilize the material before machining. Modern controls keep temperature and humidity within precise limits. Once stabilized, the horn moves toward precision shaping. Here, natural material is transformed through controlled mechanical processes. Tire process. But the same materials can be transformed into something much smaller. The same craftsmanship can be scaled down into a luxury phone case. Thin horn sections are precisely shaped to fit the case design. The edges are refined until the natural material feels completely smooth. A premium leather foundation provides structure and softness. Precision alignment brings the natural horn and leather together. Fine metallic detailing adds a subtle luxury finish. The result is a phone case that turns natural materials into a modern statement.
Before leaving the factory, every product receives a detailed inspection.
The stitching must remain clean, strong, and perfectly aligned. A final polish brings out the natural depth of the horn. Every metallic component must meet the same demanding standard. Two different products now share the same carefully crafted identity. Natural materials, precision engineering, and craftsmanship come together in the final collection.
What began as carefully prepared natural material has become a finished expression of craftsmanship.
Behind every refined object is a story of precision, patience, and human skill. From natural horn and premium leather to the final golden detail, this is the journey behind modern luxury craftsmanship.